Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about adapting your business.
So I think Jessica can start this one.
Yes, I can. So we've been in business for quite a few years now, and every year is different. You never have 2 years that are identical. 1 year perhaps something will sell really well, and the next year it may drop down or it may boost even higher. So we've had years where Roy's offered things like roses and they didn't sell at all. They sat there for an entire year or two, and it's like, is it even worth having this listing up? And finally, the right year just rolls around and people are interested in that particular item, and we just start selling multiples of them, and it just seems like a string. So in order to be able to be a viable business, you have to be able to adapt your business to what is currently going on in the market.
Yeah, and one of my theories about selling anything, and this has been my main principle out of everything that we do. And it is not to worry about what is selling and what's not selling. It's just getting items sitting on a shelf. You know, getting product made and that knowing in faith, trusting that product will eventually sell. It just needs to get in front of the right person who is willing to take and buy that particular thing. And so, you know, if you're making something and it's not really selling right now, adapt, overcome, shift the way you make things, and just start making a few different things. And then if those aren't going so hot, go ahead and start making some more things, and so on and so forth. And eventually what you do with that is you get on a roll of just constantly making product, and you'll have more and more inventory, and then all of a sudden it'll start selling. And then you're in there for hitting those peak times. So when roses are really hot and going, you make roses.
I would say another important key to being able to adapt your business is realizing circumstances. Sometimes those are going to affect your business in unplanned ways. If you have an injury or family problems arise where you're not able to put in as many hours as you would like, or you know, there's just a number of circumstances that can arise, and to be able to have the gumption to keep going, and even if it's just not as much as you want to, but even if it's still a few hours a week, to keep working towards it.
Yeah, and you know, and again, that's just adapting, overcome for the, you know, the different seasons of your life. You know, as much as you like to plan on it right now, you may not be able to spend every single day in the forge swinging away. So that's another great point for another time. So that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes at 3. We really hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you for joining us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.